In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your 1099 form from Robinhood, whether you're using the app or the website. This is a really important step for anyone who's had investment activity with Robinhood over the past year and needs to file their taxes. Let's walk through the process together so you can get your tax documents quickly and without any confusion. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Robinhood account. You can do this either through the Robinhood app on your mobile device or by visiting their website using your preferred browser. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready to verify your login. It's always best to use a secure Wi-Fi connection, especially when accessing financial information. Once you're logged in, look for the account section. On the app, you'll generally find this by tapping the person icon or the silhouette in the bottom right corner of your screen. On the website, look for your profile icon, which you'll usually see in the upper right corner. Click on this to open up your account options. Next, you'll want to find the Tax Center. This is where Robinhood keeps all your important tax documents, such as your 1099 forms. In the app, look for a section labeled Tax Center within the Account or Settings menu. On the website, once you're in your account menu, there should be an option for Tax Center as well. Go ahead and click on it. After you've entered the Tax Center, you'll see a list of available tax documents. These are organized by year, so you'll want to locate the 1099 form for the specific tax year you're interested in. For example, if you're filing taxes for 2024, you'll want to look for the 1099 for that year. Click on the form to open it. At this point, you should see your 1099 form displayed on your screen. Robinhood gives you the option to either download the document directly to your device or print it out if you prefer having a paper copy. If you're planning to file your taxes electronically, downloading the form is usually the most convenient option. Just look for the download or print button, usually located at the top of the document viewer, and select the action you want to take. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have your 1099 form in hand, ready for your tax filing. If you have multiple accounts or documents, make sure you're selecting the right year and account type. Always double check the details before downloading or printing. And remember, if you have any trouble accessing your tax forms, Robinhood's support team is available to help. Thanks for watching and good luck with your tax season.